Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jackie with Mom and Daughter Travels to these washing dishes over there real quick. So that's what you hear. But I'm doing something that I usually do, and I'm gonna make my own wipes. But I'm gonna do it with the alcohol. I found this 2-pack, pretty big, in Walmart. Hopefully they still have. I checked last night and they still have this. It's 70%. It is 32 ounces. So I'm using this. I used to have the wipes for the what you call that mop, the Swiffer.
The Swiffer mop?
Yeah, wet refills. It's done. So I never use this. I have this also. This one I take to travel. I'm gonna fill this up, but I want to do this one first. I'm doing it with reusable all-purpose cloths. These are reusable. I got it at
So you just wash them when you're done?
Yeah, you wash them when they're done. So I got these from Amazon, and I will link it up. I mean, it's the size of a paper towel. Let me get this. To use it as a paper towel. Again, these are reusable. You can wash them. Look at that, y'all. But I bought them to make the wipes. So what I'm going to do is let me throw that away from me. Thank you, my love. Let's see. Okay. So let me put this up here so I have some room. Hey, I have some bleach. I make my own bleach and water. Put it in one of these bottles that I already had. Make sure. Tilly, I need you to wipe those plates down. Okay, put them away. Don't leave them in there. Yeah, because it's summertime, like here in Florida. Okay, so these are like the size of paper towels. So, oh, use the other cabinet. Like, that's not the other cabinet I have. No. Oh, girl. Use that one. Or put it to do what us Puerto Ricans do. Put the pots and pans in the oven. In the oven. So, I want to cut these. First of all, let's see. Okay. It fits perfect. So I'm going to cut 2 of them. This is for the house. Now you could do it with bleach. I want to do it with alcohol. I like to clean with alcohol. Alcohol and water. Alright. I need my measuring cup. I know I have an old one there, but a measuring cup. Alright. So I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna, let's see. I like the feeling of these wipes. Fits. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna layer them out. So I'm gonna cut a few, and I'll be back with the layout. Okay, y'all. I filled it up. It has 12 sheets. And you probably could fill up more, but for now I just put 12. I could say maybe a good old 20 wipes will fit. 12, yeah, about 20, yeah. So I am gonna start the mixture. I'm putting on my gloves to do this. I want my hands, alcohol all over my hands. I got paper cut the other day, and boy, that will burn if alcohol falls on it. Yay! Okay, so I have the alcohol. I am going to, it's 70, and this is what you want to use. Anything alcohol, rubbing alcohol, anything over 60% and up is good. It's good to use to kill the germs and bacteria. Woo! Oh, snap. So I am going to put, I think I'm going to put like 1 cup of alcohol. Because we got it. Destiny, leave the dog alone. She's always messing with the dog.
I'm not messing with the dog. So stop recording that.
I have 1 cup. Let's put a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay, that's good. 1 cup. So here we go. I'm going to show you. Wow. It's like going through. Yep, it's wet. Strong. Okay, I think I'm going to put some more. Okay, it's going in. I want to add a little bit more, and then I'm going to add some water. Maybe I'll do 1/2 cup. Oh, let's do 3/4. 3/4. And I use this for my countertops. Wait, what happened? Is there a hole in here? Oh. I use this on my countertops. Get the corners. Toilet seat. Sink. Knobs. Okay. So it's really saturated in there, guys. You see, it's like, wow. Yeah, buddy. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, you could leave it like that, you know, but I'm going to put a little bit of water. And actually, I am going to use, I'm not using sink water because it'll have all the lead, the bacteria. I am going to use distilled water. Best drinking water ever. Okay? Better than spring water. This is like boiled water. Everything is killed. It's killed. You know, because when you get spring water, okay, there we go. When you get spring water and stuff, they still have to put chemicals in this water to make it fresh and good to drink, right? Well, this is distilled. They actually take it from, I guess, the lake or spring water, and they just boil it. And that's it. Okay, it's boiled, it's sterile. Pour it in a gallon. Take it to the store for sale. Okay, guys, so woo, stove. So I didn't put much water because it's gonna suck in the water. So let me show you. I'm gonna pick up my phone. So, let's see. So, as you see, it's watery, see? But it's gonna soak it in. It soaks everything in. Ooh, and you smell the alcohol. Look at guys. Voila. Got my own wipes. See that? Wipe everything down. This is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Wipe everything down. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. And you could lay it there to dry. Reuse it again. You know. There we go. And I'm going to leave it like that. Maybe I should pour a little bit of water out. Okay. There. And there goes your own DIY disinfectant wipes. I will link the information that you need in the description box. Thank you y'all for watching. Have a blessed Saturday. Peace.